Hi guys, we have a nice percentage problem here, which is 15% over 3% equals what? Is it 5%, 50%, 500% or 5000%? So choose your answer and then keep watching to know the solution. First, what we are going to do is percent. Per means for each 100. So let me write it down. 15 for 100 and this 3 for 100. It's divided by 3 for 100. Is that right? Yes. Now there's a division symbol here, dividing two fractions. We use KFC. Keep the first fraction 15 over 100, flip the second fraction 100 over 3 and change the signs to multiplication. Now you can cancel out hundreds. Then 3 times 5 gives 15. So your answer is a whole number 5. It's not a percentage, and your answer choice is in percent. So you need to convert this whole number into a percent. So just times 100%, multiply by 100, you get percentage. 500% is your answer, and that's your answer choice C. Hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.